Oh, hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Gain 5 off of 20. Well, if you pair this on Saturday, you get $10 of savings on a $25 basket, and that right there is some coupon magic and razzle dazzle. So Saturday the 9th is the day with the biggest savings because you can stack both of these boosters. Alternatively, if you're doing it before Saturday, it will be $5 more on each basket. So really pay attention to where I'm going with in this math. And this is totally doable, and it's just fantastic. Couple ground rules for you. Again, Saturday, January the 9th is the date for the biggest savings. Use your Dollar General app to scan merchandise into the store to make sure that the 5 off of 20 and that it is Gain merchandise that you're picking up that's working with this promotion. Pay attention, bring a pad of paper and pen so you can really figure out the math in store. These are Michigan prices, so if you're living in a different part of the US, it might be more, it might be less, but really pay attention to that bottom line. Any issues that you might have at checkout, just void your transaction. All the digital coupons will stay on your account and you can try again. Sometimes things are goofy over at the Dollar General. And just to give you a quick sneak peek, like, this doesn't work. Yeah, it does. I did it on 2 different cards and I did 2 different baskets, and I got it to work where I was buying $20 of Gain merchandise, and then I grabbed this Mucinex and I got my basket down to $6.50, which was really great. And just also to remind you guys, all digital coupons and boosters are of a one-time use. So since I did it last weekend on the store card, I can't do it again on the same store card. It's a one and done, just to note that. And this was another one that I used a paper coupon for the Febreze plugs, and I didn't have an issue with that either. And we're going to look at a couple different deals with those Febreze plugs and a larger one, because I know that this little 2-pack is almost impossible to find, especially the second week of a sale like this, because, you know, people went really hard on it. But $4.20 for this basket, hey, I'm not complaining about that one. So it was a really great Saturday over at the DG. Okay, so deal number 1, well, some things are predictable. We're going to need both of these boosters loaded to your store card. And as I said earlier, if you used that 5 off of 20 last week on that store card, you can't use it twice. It's a one and done. So maybe you can use, somebody else in your family's card to do the deal more than once. First item that we're going to grab is this guy for $13. It's a 3-pack of the Febreze with the Gain scent plugs. It has to have the word Gain on the packaging because this is a Gain deal. So this one, and as you could see, the $5 off along with the 5 off of 20 are in fact attaching to said product. So this one is a little bit more, but there is in fact a method to this madness. So off of this little bingo chart, grab one of these products for $6.95, whichever you want. But again, use your Dollar General scanner to make sure that 5 off of 20 and then the $2 digital are in fact attaching. Some things are predictable. I will always go for fabric softener or fireworks. I don't know. I just love that stuff. So I always grab one of these. And this $2 coupon is in fact attaching. As you can see, this guy also expires on the 9th, so it's definitely one of these stories of use it or lose it. And then to get our basket right to $20, we're going to grab one of these Gain dish soaps, found where the laundry section is on an end cap or with the dish soap. This guy is $2 on the nose. We do not have a manufacturer. And please scan the item to make sure that the 5 off of 20 is in fact attaching. Okay, and then we have this Mucinex for $5.50, whole host of different Mucinex products, and then we have this wonderful $5 coupon that's attaching, dropping it down to 50 cents, getting our basket to 25. Looking at the math here, guys, one of those Febreze triple packs is 13 on the nose. One Gain fabric enhancer product for $6.95, one Gain dish soap for $2, and then one Mucinex product for $5.50. Well, the total for this is $27.45. After the cashier scans that Mucinex, you punch in your phone number, the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20 Dollar General coupons are coming off, along with $12 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. The 5 for the Febreze, the 5 for the Mucinex, and the 2 for the Gain Fabric Enhancer product. You're left with paying $5.45 out of pocket for the 4 items, dropping it to $1.36 per product. Okay, guys, so deal number 2 is somewhat similar to deal number 1, but a little bit different. So we're going to need our 2 boosters loaded, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20. Saturday is the biggest saving, so if you can make it out Saturday morning, absolutely go for it. And I just kind of moved things around a little bit for this deal. So we're going to be looking for this guy, which is the double pack for $9.50. Look for it in the regular air care aisle, or alternatively, there is an end cap, like they have like wire racks with stuff. At many stores I was visiting, that's specifically where I was finding this, because this is a very popular product and they had an overspill on those wire racks. And then this is the $5 off coupon. As you could see, this guy is expiring on the 9th, so definitely use it or lose it. And then off of this little bingo chart, we're going to grab one product. So either a fabric enhancer product or a detergent. It is your choice, but a product that is $6.95. And then we have a $2 manufacturer that's attaching. So just to show you, this is what the $2 digital coupon looks like. And then to really get our basket to balance out, we're going to grab 2 of these Gain dish soaps for $4. See that wire rack it's on? It's near the detergent and all that stuff. You find that on an end cap in that area. So look high and low and look all around, but there it is. Unfortunately, we don't have any manufacturer coupons though for that product. And then we're also going to grab an Angel Soft for $5. So if you need to stock up on toilet paper, this is a little dealio for you. I know with Mucinex, not everybody's about that, or if you used it last week, you know, maybe throw in one of these Angel Softs. And we have a 50 center that's attaching to this product. Okay, guys, so let's take a quick peek at the math for this scenario. We're grabbing one of those Febreze plugs with the Gain scent for $9.50, one fabric softener Gain for $6.95, and then 2 Gain dish soaps at $2 a pop. Well, that's $4. So we're at our $20 ratio right there. And then one Angel Soft toilet paper for $5 on the nose. So the total for your basket is $24.45. After that last Angel Soft toilet paper is scanned, you punch in your phone number right away. 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20 are coming off, along with $7 of digital manufacturers, 5 for Febreze, 2 for the Gain fabric softener product, and a 50 center for the Angel Soft. You're left with paying $7.95 out of pocket for the 5 items, shaking it out to $1.59 per product. That's a very good little stock up price too for toilet paper. Okay, guys, the next deal that we have is with the coupons.com app. So we're going to need our 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20. Please make sure you have both of these guys loaded to your store cards, because, I mean, that's the huge amount of savings on a $20 basket. I mean, OMG, that's pretty great. And we're going to grab something off of this bingo list. Actually, 3 items off of this bingo list. Make sure that one of them's a pod, one of them's a fabric enhancer, and the third item can be whatever you want to buy. But 3 items at $6.95. I think you know where I'm going with this. So we're going to be utilizing one digital coupon, which is this guy. Just the one coupon. That's all we have for this. And then over on your coupons.com app, please go and activate the following, which is $2 back when you buy one of these fabric enhancer products. And yes, you can in fact use this over at the Dollar General. And then this $2 for the fling. So that's why we're grabbing a fling and a fabric enhancer product, and the third item, whatever you wish. And then we're also going to grab one of these Mucinex, because it really makes our basket a lot cheaper. And they have a whole host of these. So it's not only this one for the cold and flu. They have one for like sore throats, one for, you know, nighttime, a whole bunch of different stuff. So grab one of these for $5.50. We have this very generous $5 coupon as well. So make sure you have that guy loaded. So let's take a quick peek at the math, guys. Grabbing 3 Gain products. Please make sure one of them's a fling and one's a fabric enhancer, because we're going to make 2 different submissions to coupons.com app with that. So 3 of those is $20.85, and then 1 Mucinex is $5.50 for a total of $26.35. After the Mucinex is scanned, you punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 20 Dollar General coupons are coming off, along with $7 of digitals. We have a $2 for the Gain and a $5 for the Mucinex. You're left with paying $9.35 out of pocket. And then you're going to photograph your receipt to the coupons.com app, scan the flings and the fabric enhancer, and then get back $4. That will be sent to your PayPal. So it makes it $5.35 for the 4 items, or $1.33 for each. You don't need physical manufacturer coupons. All you need is the coupons.com app. How wonderful is this? Okay, so this final deal that we have is with paper manufacturers. This is for more experienced Dollar General shoppers. So you need the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20 loaded. And what we're going to be grabbing for this deal is 3 of these guys for $9.50. Kind of a tall order if your store is out of them, because I know a lot of people have been going really hard on it. But if you can find 3 of them, this deal is absolutely for you. So in the January P&G, this guy is expiring on Saturday and it's a $5 off. Now with this coupon, the cashier has to press something on the computer to get it to scan. If you have a newer cashier, newer store, they're just not sure. They might have to key it in for you, but I know a couple of you were having issues with it. So if you're not an experienced shopper, they might just say, sorry, we can't use this coupon. But it does in fact scan. It just takes a little bit of work on the cashier's part. But I do know it works because I seen a ton of receipts on Saturday, and I did one myself. I showed you at the front of the video. So if you're really new to this, I wouldn't do it. But if you're an experienced shopper, hopefully at your store, they'll be able to push these coupons through. And we're also going to need this digital coupon that's also expiring on the 9th. So let's just take a quick look at the math, guys. So 3 of those plugs at $9.50 is $28.50. You'll present 2 $5 coupons from the January P&G. $10 will come off. Then punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 20 will come off along with the $5 digital, making it $3.50 for the 3. Now, again, for more experienced shoppers, because if the cashier will just look at you and say, we can't scan this, da, 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 they have to verify the coupons. They have to punch in a certain button at the cash register, and it will in fact scan. So hopefully that's crystal clear, and good luck with this one, guys. I know a lot of you got this deal last week, but if you're really new to this, it might be kind of confusing. I would stick to the deals at the front of the video. Now, looking at this a different way, if you wanted to get these 3-pack plugs, because your store is out of everything, these are $13 a pop. So looking at this a different way, grabbing 2 of these, that is $26 on the nose. At this point, you're going to have to present 1 $5 coupon from the January P&G, and then punch in your number following that. And then the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of $20 General coupons are coming off, and the 1 $5 digital for this product. You're left with paying $6 out of pocket for the 2, or $3 for each of these 3 packs. So it basically shakes it out to $1 each, which is a really great price point, like $1 per plug. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.